Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Twitter. To know how to find a solution about Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to Twitter. Then this page of app info we click on force stop. We click OK and we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can go to your airplane mode and you can turn on here as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.